this is a first time installation, it is indicating now first time installation. You press OK to continue. So in your remote control, you will see OK in your remote control. Second, what will appear is display language, English, any kind of language you speak. Most of the languages are also there. Just press OK in English. That is if you want the decoder to be programmed in English. Next is select country. What country are you? What are you in Biafra, in Nigeria? Any country you are, select the country you are and press OK. The next what will appear is power off and on. So you can also power on your decoder. That is has to do with the antenna. So don't forget that there is something behind, just below the screen, where you see move screen, all the rest of them. Move, OK, press OK in your remote, press back, and all the rest of them. Those things are guiding you on what you should also do. So let's leave it on and press OK. Now the decoder is searching. As it's searching, it's also showing frequencies. It's showing TV channel fan 0, radio channel fan 0. So as it's moving, as the search is actually progressing, so it will also definitely add channels and come up with new channels. So this is actually a guide on how to add new channels, new GoTV channels to your decoder. So if you're experiencing any challenges. So the search is also, now the search TV fan is 28, radio is 2. So it's actually progressing as it's going. It is adding as many channels that it can add GoTV offers. But don't forget that it can only add channels based on what your antenna signal is getting. If your antenna signal is very, very poor, then it may end in 30, it may even end in 20. But this one is likely going to end in what? Let's see, be very, very fast to look at the screen. You see where to end. Where it's ending does not mean where its GoTV channel is ending. This is 67. This one ended in 67. That's not the highest, that's not the current GoTV channel. That's not the number of GoTV channels that are actually available. But due to the poor signal of our antenna, I mean the location of the antenna, that's the reason why it ended in what? 67. So if you are actually, if you turn the antenna in a good position, you can actually get to the highest channels. So what you now do, you can now select channels you want to watch and they're all showing. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more technical videos. Gotv TV. Subscribe to our YouTube channels now. Thank you.